is for pizza, cheesy and round, with toppings galore, it's the best in town. Pepperoni, mushrooms, or just plain cheese, pizza is a treat that's sure to please. P is for pig, pink and sweet, with a curly tail and tiny feet. It rolls in the mud, snorts with glee, a playful pig as happy as can be. P is for pear, juicy and green, a tasty fruit that's soft and clean, sweet to eat and shaped just right. A pear is perfect for a bite. P is for pear, juicy and green.